hope you've had a nice breakfast. Today we are here to speak to you about the invasive species on the islands of the Galapagos. To maintain the biodiversity of the island, it is important that invasive species are controlled, as they damage the natural habitat of the native species, and this causes competition. Some of these unique, beautiful specimens include the marine iguana, the Galapagos barn owl. These are a few of the many unique species of fauna and flora that are threatened. Some of the invasive species include goats, pigs, cats, food plants, rodents, insects, and of course, the weedy plants. Since the establishment of the Galapagos National Park and the Charles Darwin Foundation in 1959, efforts to control invasive introduced species have been ongoing. Over the 1920s and 1940s, the goats grazed the islands mercilessly, causing erosion, threatening survival of rare plants and trees, and competed with native fauna such as giant tortoises. A goat cull has been introduced between the years of 2001 to 2005, but the goat species are still targeted even today in 2013, with the ultimate goal being a goat-free island. We shall now show you some footage of a controlled goat cull. Be warned though, viewers, it may get a bit messy.
This is a goat and an iguana.
Giddy up, horsey! Giddy up! Giddy up!
You can't.
Another strategy for controlling the goat population on the islands is to take one goat, give it a radar tracking collar, give it 1 or 2 months to find itself a wild herd and integrate itself into the herd. After that amount of time, scientists will use a tracking device to track down the goat and eliminate them. They repeat this process until only the herd-needing goats are left, then kill them too. Cats were introduced to the island by pirates at the end of the 17th century, and they may have been brought in by settlers around this time as well. Since the cats have been eliminated from the island, there has been a huge increase in iguana population. Controlling invasive species is an ongoing issue that the government and conservation societies will have to control for many, many years as the tourism industry grows. It is of the utmost importance to preserve such a beautiful and unique island. Will the threat of invasive species ever end? We just don't know. Thank you for listening to our accurate and thrilling tale. Good night.